I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi guys, ako pala si Vito Biso. Ayan. Manonood naman tayo ngayon ng vlogs ng SB19 or ng Boys. Noong pumunta sila ng Taiwan, so pumunta rin pala sila ng Acer headquarters. So siguro in-invite sila ng CEO or president ng Acer Taiwan headquarters. So ayan guys, wag na natin patagalin. Without further ado, let's watch, let's go. Uy. So ito nga yun. Ito yung pumunta silang Acer. Parang nag-design ata sila ng ang tawag doon?
What is up?
Hina.
I think she's going to give us.
Good morning, everyone. To
Good
start
morning.
off your day,
Yes.
I'm gonna hand off the badges to you,
Wow.
so you can get through the office.
Yes.
All
Alright.
right. So
Badges.
Me.
hello,
Like the
Hello.
Pokemon.
Alright.
Josh,
Josh.
Jasmine, Dell.
Yes,
So this, I'm gonna be your mentor of the day and your orientation. If you need any support, just find me, and then let's go get a fresh cup of coffee.
Okay.
First.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay,
Let's go.
Uy, grabe. Predator. My dream laptop. Sana all.
But syempre, since we're going to be employees
But
for
syempre.
today sa Acer, bago natin simula ng araw, coffee muna.
Let's
Diba?
go.
Let's order coffee.
So si Ken,
Excuse me.
favorite ang coffee.
For me, Royal Pink Cafe.
Panis.
Ito eh.
Wow.
Panis local.
Ikaw next. You next. What's your order?
Alam niyo dati dito daw nag-work si Kuya Alvin.
Alden?
Richard.
Alden Richard.
Nandun yung charger. Pero guys,
Tapos panini.
as employees, kailangan daw natin gumawa ng report.
What kind of
Ano daw?
Ganito.
Yung mga product, i-list ng product na iuwi na.
Report.
What kind of report? Ganito.
Yung mga product, i-list ng product na iuwi natin sa Pilipinas.
Let's go.
Ano tayo, ang work talaga natin dito is to test.
Yes.
So we
Okay.
need...
And if we like the product, we get to keep it.
Yes.
Nice.
Ready?
Yeah, of course, ready to go.
Let's move.
Last time we were here and we're really amazed before because there's full of technologies and different stuff that we haven't tried before. Really amazing.
Nice. Uy, ganda. Grabe naman yun.
Kung makikita niyo po, nandito tayo sa napakaliit na ng Acer nila. 14 inches na lang ata ito. Tingnan niyo guys, napaka hindi ng specs kasi na ito. Ito, nandito yung specs niya. 8842HS processor and Radeon 7 CPN. 144 Hz din to. So ito, wala na akong handheld gaming device eh. This is so much better than my previous handheld gaming device.
Grabe, ang dami. Sobrang
Ayos to,
ganda
ah.
dyan.
Dito ka na maglalaro. Pag gusto mong maglaro, pero ayaw mong mag-guilty,
Pwedeng
make
mag
your green mark, guys.
Grabe naman yan.
Para meron
Habang
ginagawa.
nagla-laptop ka, no?
Pag nakaupo ako, yung gumaganon ako.
Sina-charge na yung table.
Nako, pag naglalaro ka, tapos wala na. Bilisan mo pa, clutch ka. Clutch ka, Justin, ano yun mo?
Pag naglalaro ko, nakataas yung paa ko.
Yung mga yung mga ginagamit pa
Parang ano yun, parang C4 bomb.
C4. Yung paa nito.
Because,
Hindi, nakadikit.
hindi nakadikit.
Ay, nakadikit.
Ikaw ako, Justin.
Hala ka.
Bakit mo na sinira?
Sinira.
We will be meeting with our chairman and CEO Jason Chen and also
Andrew.
Uy,
Asia
grabe.
Pacific President Andrew
Mga
Ho.
big time yung mga
No,
ilimit
them
nila.
already?
Yep. Okay.
So let's move to the other meeting.
Josh,
Come on, Josh. Stop playing. Even
Stop
though you
playing.
won. Let's go on, everybody. Come on, please.
Every morning you make a choice.
Stop playing.
Good enough. But why settle? Choose Gillette Fusion 5 Pro with 5 Pro blades and a flex ball. You can choose comfort. Choose closeness. Don't settle. Choose Gillette Fusion 5 Pro.
What would you say to somebody that hasn't tried therapy before?
Just ask yourself if what you're doing in your life right now is
Come on, everybody. Stop playing, even though you won. Come on, everybody.
Let's go, Josh. The gamer. Grabe naman yung suot ni Estel, no? Fit na sa akin.
Nice to meet you.
Grabe.
Welcome. Justin, right?
Good to see you.
Uy, Justin, right? So, wait lang. So, talagang sobrang mabenta ni Justin nung pumunta sila sa Taiwan. Kasi, di naman sa pag-ano, nung nag-perform sila sa Hito Awards, sobrang daming casual ng Taiwan or mga Taiwanese people ang nagwapuhan at nagalingan kay Justin. Kasi, syempre, mukha siyang mukha nga rin siyang Taiwanese. Kaya siguro siya yung as in mabenta ng time na yun. Sobrang nag-trending siya sa threads. President. Oh, chairman and CEO. Sabi yun.
Second time for you visiting the headquarters already.
Yeah.
So what do you have? What do you have in mind for?
I actually thought that I'm just gonna live here.
Yes, we really like everything, especially all those, from like what you've said, from the simplest things to the, complex things to the for the gamers and everyday usage.
For me, I like how Acer really pushed for sustainability.
Wow.
So yeah,
Grabe, parang mga
talking
nag-review.
about earlier about the Vero set, the Vero line, and everything is very creative, and yet you don't sacrifice the quality because plastic is really easy to break and tarnish and all, but you use other sustainable materials like the seashells. So it's really nice.
I feel like this is not just a partnership, but it's like a real family, and we're really thankful for believing in us as the team. We also believe in the mission of Acer. That's why we're
Nice.
always happy to be here.
Grabe na.
I believe it's the same.
Grabe, parang mga nag-review. Ganda ng mga sagutan, guys. Parang mga nasa thesis, no? Parang may
We
panel.
share the common belief and the same theme between Acer and SB19.
I agree.
So that's very, very good.
Yeah.
Good for the world, good for people. We
Nice.
believe in SB19 and you believe on Acer. That
Nice.
mutual trust, mutual belief
Grabe.
carry us through the journey in the past years and many years ahead of us. Alright?
Nice.
Thank you very much again. Thank you. We do have a gift for you.
Oh, let's go! That's what I'm talking about.
Uy, grabe!
Signature gaming PC.
Gaming PC. Sana all, guys. Grabe. Ganda niyan. Yung pinaka-latest pa ata yan, Windows 18 ba? O 17 ba yan? Helios o Helios? Sobrang mahal nun, guys.
Sustainability through innovation.
100,000 yun. 200 data yun o 100 plus. Ewan ko. Basta yun yung pinakamahal na laptop. So, ito yung parang research development nila. R&D. Uy, ano yan? Gaganda ng... God!
So today we're going to do some innovation with you guys to design our Predator 8 cover. We have this cool Predator products, gadgets over here, and also the thermal design. And also we have some cool color material finish samples, so you can give it a lot of inspiration so that you can design something really cool that fits your style or you wish to have for your next laptop.
Wow! Grabe. Parang school attack. Art Angel pala. Filipino eh.
We finally
Art
got
attack.
somebody who can actually build our dreams.
Golf is literally the game for life.
Art attack yun, art attack. Uy, logo niya. Astig. Blood Project.
So you know that we have design lab here and we have 30 printers. So we have prepared. Oh,
really?
Wow. Design like each of you a unique character.
Wow, unique character.
Oh my gosh, yo.
Can we go there?
Yes. How do we do that?
So, ginawa sila ng character.
Oh my god! Oh, so that's
There's a fairy, a mermaid, dragon. It's not us, but it's for us. How are we going to this one?
oh my god. So who's who?
Who's who?
Which is which?
Which is which?
And the dragon.
Maybe it's a wolf.
I think ikaw to Justin kasi fairy eh.
It's the
Diba? Mahilig ka sa fairy.
yes.
Ako yung mermaid ba? Ay, oo, may logo ko. Haha!
Ah, may logo.
May logo eh. Ayun na, JC oh, ikaw to.
A rooster and then a dragon?
Wow!
Yeah, manok.
Chicken! Bakit ako merman?
Oh.
Bad.
Bakit ako merman?
Kasi yung sinabi mo, di ba may buntot ng mermaid yung ano.
Yung character ko. Wow, oo nga.
I have my own Tinkerbell.
It's a bat or a dragon?
Uy, ang ganda. Stig. JC. Ang ganda.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah! May six-pack abs tong character ko. Wala kayo.
Ano siya? Parang siyang si Aquaman. Uy, ganda. E-bike.
All right.
We have the SB19 Fantasy Challenge.
Fantasy.
Yeah. So you're going to think about like something designed for your fans during this different sections. So you are going to have 15 minutes for this section. But during the section, we are going to have the quick fire Q&A for each of you.
Q&A.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So quick. Yeah. So let's start.
Didesign na nila. No?
Okay. So I'm going to have the first Q&A.
Okay. Oh my God.
So are you an introvert or extrovert behind the scene?
Okay. I am introvert all the way.
All the way?
Yeah.
Introvert all the way.
So the first one is, if you want a musician, what kind of different role you will be?
Role. I think a barista. I like coffees, but right now, I'm not really good at making. I only have the machine to make the coffee.
Okay, so I will have the next question for you.
Oh my gosh.
What kind of food you always crave on tour to Taiwan?
Oh my god, my favorite food here in Taiwan right now is tohua.
Tohua?
Yeah, tohua. I love tohua because first it's protein and next is it has fruits and it's natural sweet. So I like it and it has milk as well. In the Philippines we have that same snack and we call it taho. Taho, but it's the sweeter version because it has brown sugar on it. But here it's kind of balanced because it's not that sweet and it has its natural sweetener, which is the dried fruits and the milk.
More healthy.
Yeah, more healthy. I love tohua. Tohua. And there's another one. It's sweet potato balls. Sweet potato balls.
Oh, the
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Oh, I
yeah.
know that.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
taro one.
Yeah. Ice cream or milk tea?
Ice cream.
Okay. Last question will be the favorite dance move right now.
Favorite dance move right now?
Or you want to just, show us?
Show a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Sasayaw.
Okay, I'll just show it. I think Stel made this. Yeah, it's like this. 5, 6, 7, 8 some ball, na, 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 on the ground, 8 some ball. No.
Get it. Mas malabag lang basta. Mas malabag lang basta.
Wait, I'm capping. Oh, so what? I'm fly. Ayoko na. Yes.
Parang lagi siya yung nag-asa sample, no?
Behavior makes you laugh.
What fun behavior?
Well, sometimes when they get really no, not really that, but sometimes they get sometimes like reckless something and they make like mistakes. I think it's cute, but I'm not saying that they should do it like they should do it intentionally. I think it's really cute and fun.
Okay.
Almiraba, retold.
Uy. Mobile app. Ano kaya yung 20XXX? So, kanya-kanya talaga silang design, no? So, saan ang next? Grabe, binigyan silang laptop. Ano to? Gym! Uy, Acer
Tapos na po
Fitness.
namin mag-work. We've worked so hard, so we earn, or we actually deserve to, syempre, work out. Diba, ganun talaga ang buhay. After mo mag-work, mag-workout ka pa. Mahirapan mo yung sarili mo. Hindi, pero ito ang isa sa mga favorite namin na ginagawa recently.
Pati si si Justin parang medyo na rin. So, lahat na sila nag-gym.
Hindi ko natutulog. Grabe yung workout mo Justin.
Kakasabi ko lang. Nakahiga pala.
Ano yung workout niya kasi usually yan eh.
Yung workout ko yung brain ko ngayon.
Uy, grabe naman yun. Grabe ng mga katawan na nila, ano? Para si Justin lang yung Nice. Sobrang nakaka-proud na isang bigating ang tawag doon, brand. Naniniwala sa boys. And sobrang sobrang nakaka-proud yun bilang fan. At syempre, kasi sobrang deserve ng boys yung mga ganyang partnership kasi doon mo masasabing nagtitiwala talaga yung brand sa kanila in terms of yun nga, sabi nung CEO, yung president, na same sila ng mission ng SB19 kaya siguro yung tiwala ng Acer nandun pa rin. So talagang kinuha sila kinuha silang partner or meron silang partnership. So ayun guys, anong masasabi nyo dito? Sobrang nakaka-proud lang talaga ang boys kasi ang layo ng narating nila. Malayo na pero malayo pa. Pero for sure, talagang sobrang na-appreciate ng boys yan kasi ramdam na nila na mahal sila. Hindi lang ng fans, hindi lang ng mga fans, pero yung mga kumbaga yung brands kasi sobrang dami na rin nilang partnership or brand endorsement. So ayan guys, pa-subscribe na lang po sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe. Yun lang po, hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Bye.